Welcome to ASLP Club. Today we brought a video on speech and language therapy. Video will be focusing on what is speech therapy and what all is involved in it. How speech therapy is different from regular play activity. Also it will clear some of the common myths on speech therapy. Speech and language therapy is treatment of communication problems, wherein speech-language pathologists, also called speech therapists, perform or teach by specialized therapeutic techniques to improve communication. Speech therapy may be required to people who have any speech or language impairments, like children whose language is not age appropriate, speech is unclear or is difficult to understand, speech is not fluent that may tend to stammering. Also, adults with any speech impairment may be caused by stroke, injuries, etc. Speech therapy is different for every individual. It is different for children and adults. For children, speech therapy may be in group or may be one-to-one depending on child or his/her disorder. During speech therapy, SLP may try stimulating language development by interacting, playing or indulging child into other fun activities, work on child's speech production, counsel parents regarding speech therapy needed to be done at home. As this video is purely made to increase awareness regarding speech therapy and directing public to correct information on what exactly is speech therapy and what's involved in it, now we'll be presenting you frequently asked questions that parents may ask regarding speech therapy. Before exposing you to the common questions, let me clear that in this video we are mainly referring to children with any speech language deficit or developmental disorder only. This video may be more helpful for parents or caregivers who are opting for speech therapy. With this, forwarding to very common questions that arise in many individuals' mind when it comes to speech therapies are: speech therapy would guide you to provide your child an environment that is more stimulating for speech and language development. With the help of speech therapists, you could understand to tackle the special needs that your child may require. There are no medications that would make your child speak or communicate. Also, many parents keep assumptions that their child would start speaking as he grows older, but due to lack of the special needs and extra stimulation that child requires, child sometimes doesn't sustain the adequate speech and language development appropriate to his/her age. This is not something that anyone could state. This is dependent on many factors like what is the disorder, how severe it is, depends on child's learning, parent taking initiatives at home to make child learn effectively and efficiently, and so on. Some children may require for few months when they have some minor issues, and some may require speech and language therapy for rest of their life. It is not that instant, and you could see results with time as child will start understanding and started using it. Of course, it is a lot different. Speech therapists have the knowledge and experience to deal with kids, knows the steps to be taken at every stage of the child, knows what to teach a child and at particular age, and uses special therapeutic techniques to make child achieve given skills. Speech therapist doesn't play with the child but tries to teach child various aspects in a play environment. In speech and language therapy, therapists will focus on teaching child to speak or communicate. But along with this, speech therapists work on many other aspects that are required to communicate or speak with others, like giving attention, sitting at a place, different concepts, cognitive tasks, pragmatic skills, behavioral modifications, and more. Hence, ending here, I hope these common questions solved most of the queries you may have and would have cleared the idea of speech therapy for you. If not, please feel free to present your concerns below in the comment box, or you can mail us privately on aslpclub@gmail.com, or also could privately message on our Instagram or Facebook account. You could find the links below in the description box. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.